To turn on or turn off, suggest your accounts to phone contacts in TikTok. In Android phone, open TikTok app. Tap TikTok to open. And then tap profile. Next, tap more icon or three line icon. Select settings and privacy. And then select privacy. And then tap suggest your account to others. And then on contact, tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Suggest your account to phone contacts. For these settings, you will need to add a phone number. Tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Suggest your account to other users. When a total in this fix is switched on, your account will be suggested to corresponding users. Tap OK if you swear. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.